So good morning, it's Thursday, 30th of April, last day of the month, and didn't it rain last night? Whoa, the wind and rain, I thought it wasn't going to be possible to come down today, but in fact it's actually turned out a brighter morning than expected, but we are due some rain quite soon, some real dark clouds around. So anyway, just popped down for a few hours, got a couple of jobs done, so let's show you. So the first look in the tunnel, and I can already see suspicious goings on, strawberries on there. So I can't believe it. Also, someone's been along eating all the seeds, swede seeds. They've had a dig in the spinach, dig in the nasturtiums. But I can't believe it, the strawberries. And I thought the strawberry baskets was away enough, but they must climb up these poles and across the strings here and into the baskets. I thought they were safe. Oh dear, back to the drawing board. Hello! So, I saw a tomato challenge, and I like my tomatoes, and this challenge is set by Digwell Green Fingers, and the tomato challenge is bottle tomato. So last year I did exactly the same experiment, and I'll put a link above and you can watch my video from last year. So I did actually scrap this idea this year and actually chuck this in the skip, but I've just brought it out the skip and I found it again. So this is what we've got, a 2 litre bottle, and I've cut a little hole in the top, which is where we're going to water it and feed it, and the tomato can be at the bottom. So let's get this sorted. I've got a tomato, and this one is a red cherry tomato. We've got some of these for the baskets, but I've not potted them up yet. So this is as big as it is so far. So we should get it in the box and see. So all I'm going to do is take my tomato and just gently easing it out the pot. As you can see, it's got some roots. I'm just going to tease the soil away. Try not to disturb it too much. Just enough so I can get it in the hole. I saw Digwell Green Fingers put his into the top, rolling it up in paper. But I thought I'd give this a go. Pull it in this way. So this is all the roots going in the hole. Bit fiddly, but there it is. So that's the plant in the bottle. And what I did last year, I screwed up a bit of newspaper, and the bit of newspaper is still in there. If you can see that. So I'm just going to try and knock the newspaper down to the end, and hopefully that will stop some water coming out. So I think that's worked, and now I'm just going to fill up the bottle with soil from the top. So making sure my plant doesn't fall out. Didn't have great success with red cherries last year, so I've got to make more of an effort this year. So we're just packing it all down. Hopefully the tomato will stay. And there we go. Bit of special ingredients. Some grow bag. A bit of nutrients in there. So there we go. Last year I did the mistake of filling it up with too much soil and the water was overspilling. So a lesson learned. So there we go. Soil is just below the level of the hole, which is here. And that's the tomato. So I've got this chain. This is from a hanging basket. So I've drilled 3 holes around the outside and they're just going into the hoops, like so. So I can hang my basket up. So interesting to see any other versions, and especially to see if it actually works. So here is my result. So here is my bottle hung up and the tomato plant inside, and I'm just going to give it a water, not too much, as the water is going to drip down onto the leaves. So hopefully the paper would have stopped a lot of the water coming out, but this is an issue. Well, there we go. So this is my bottle tomato challenge, and we will see whether it grows. So looking forward to see anybody else's bottles. That would be great. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Ring the bell. Get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Cheers.